Breaking news: Arsenal new Adidas training kit. Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dynamic TV. Subscribe if today is your first time. Alright, Arsenal FC have introduced a new Adidas training kit after the pandemic that happened in the whole world. Alright, Arsenal of course travel to Manchester City tomorrow for Premier League restart, but there is a new thing of course at Emirates. Emirates have introduced a new training kit for the remaining of the season. Alright, of course, this is new Adidas training kit for Arsenal FC. Wow, this training kit is lovely of course, and is very cool and very incredible of course. I believe the Gunners all over the world will be very delighted to hear this news that Arsenal FC have a new Adidas training kit for the remaining of the season. Alright, this Mesut Ozil of course, he is wearing it already of course, and with a smile on his face. That is to tell you how cool this training kit looks. It looks lovely honestly. When you take a look at it, it is so awesome, quite magnificent. That's gonna be cool for Arsenal fans all over the world. I believe a lot of fans will be happy to hear this new development. Alright guys, what we are talking about right now is that Arsenal FC have a new Adidas training kit. Of course, they are gonna wear it in training from now henceforth, and this is Aubameyang so much happy wearing this new training kit. Is very good honestly. Arsenal of course have a new training kit as they travel to Etihad Stadium tomorrow to face Manchester City in a Premier League restart 17th of June 06 2020. Alright guys, that is the news that we have right now on our decks. Arsenal FC have introduced a new training kit, and that's gonna start definitely from tomorrow. Aubameyang of course is in it, and this is Mesut Ozil and a couple of other players that we were able to get their pictures for you. Pepe and the rest of them of course are wearing this new training kit, and this training kit looks so good in their body. Can you just look at this young man Pepe? You see how this training kit looks? It fits him very well. Alright guys, that is the news right now. Remember, this Dynamic TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for all Premier League news, and of course match build up tomorrow. Arsenal versus Manchester City coming your way tomorrow, all the way in Dynamic TV. Alright, subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't go anywhere. Alright.